Spelling of welcome. Welcome is spelled as like this: WELCOME. Actually, COME, this is come, and before come, we are adding well. Look here, it has just two syllables, well and come. Okay, let me help your brain to remember the spelling of this word. No double L. Look, we are using a single L. Even though well means stays well. Well has two L's. Welcome only has one L. Okay? Don't write double L. Think of it as a shorter version. Well plus come instead of welcome. Don't use double L. This is the trick here.